Heat waves on the way. Let's check a few more plants out and get them spaced out for the future. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Happy Friday to you all. Friday the 17th of July 2026, and it's day 152 of the Chilli grow up. It's another hot one today. I think it's about 26, 27 today, and I think it's going to get hotter and hotter. They've said this weekend another heat wave may be coming, so we'll just make sure they're all okay. But let's have a look at some of the plants that we haven't checked out today. I need to make some space. As you can see here, they're kind of all on top of each other, so they need a bit of space. We'll get everything sorted, check everything out, and just make sure the plants are doing all right. They're good for waterers. As you can see, I gave them a good watering yesterday, and most of them have still got a good patch on the top. So we'll wait a day or two. When they dry out again, it's going to be fertilizer for them. But yeah, let's check out some of the plants we haven't checked out yet. Other than that, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a lovely week and you've got lots of great things planned for the weekend. Me and Lucy, we're just enjoying the sun, aren't we? You're falling asleep, aren't you? Oh, good morning, madam. Happy Friday to you. Would you like an egg? Can I get a paw? Paw, thank you. Enjoy, muffin. Straight for the yolk. Do a quick check on some of the fruit plants here. We've got our Cayennes. As you can see, they're all starting to show here. Look at that one. Lovely. Look at that. Just great. Some new ones starting to appear. It's looking absolutely marvellous. We've got our ghost peppers here, look. A couple of nice pods going there. There they are. Beautiful. And then of course, this one's growing so fast. Look at those ridges again. Very nice indeed. One at the back there. So yeah, the ghosts and the Cayennes doing really well. Let me move around to our little plant here, look. And we've got Cayenne showing. Hang on, look. So even that little pot, look, growing very nicely. Yeah. Doing really good. Right, let's do this. Let's get in to day 152. First up's the Carolina Reaper with a copper coil. Now, not very tall, but look how bushy it is. So much going on, no pods or flowers yet. But that's to be expected with the Carolina Reaper. Looking good though, I think. Time will tell. Sticking with the super hots, here's an Armageddon. Looking beautiful. I mean, these leaves, the size of them. Massive. It's got a copper coil as well. And as we can see, here look, just starting to get the flowers. They're all just starting to appear. Little buds. So she'll be getting some pods very soon on the Armageddon. Got our Buena Mulata next. It's been doing really well. Lots and lots of lovely little purple flowers, especially when you get in there. You can see how many, but look at this. I've only just noticed this. Look at these first ones. Beautiful purple peppers. Basically purple Cayennes, and there's another little one there just behind him. There we go, it's a clearer shot. So fantastic. There's our first two Buena Mulatas. Can't wait for more. Here's our Habanero. Remember our little Habanero? Not so little now. So not too much going on. We've got a little bit going on in the middle there, look. Actually, they're all starting to appear, look. Not quite a lot. So yeah, it shouldn't be too long until we start getting some Habaneros. Here's a Poblano with a copper coil. Look at the length of this plant. It's just gone crazy. That stem is marvellous. Rock solid. Copper coil there. Yeah, as you see as we're going up, lots of new buds there, new flowers. Potentially new flowers, potentially new pods. Flower there, look. So yeah, taking its time, but progress has been made on the Poblano. Here's a Scotch Bonnet MOA, not the biggest, but it's one we haven't had a little look at for a while. So some stuff going on there, the stem's looking good. Not much going on in the middle, but at the top here, just start seeing the flower buds coming. So yeah, no issues, lots of new leaves, new shoots. Nice and dark green, should be getting some Scotch bonnets in no time on this MOA. Here's our regular jalapeno, looking good, lots of new buds and flowers starting to show. We've got one lovely flower there, another one forming there. It's got a copper coil, but yeah, lots forming, no pods yet, but the flowers are coming, so all good on this jalapeno. Smaller part. Look at all those lovely flowers. As we go further down, you ready? Look at that. First one. That one's about to change as well. Marvellous. Looking great. The sweet banana. Okay, so I've spaced everything out a little bit. Literally half of the garden now. Half of the entrance of the garden has been taken because it's getting all the sun, look, just before the sun hits the side of the house. So this is better. It gets sunlight from behind us when it rises in the east, and it's all over here now, and it was set behind the houses just here when it goes in the west this evening. But yeah, looking great, eh? So we've got new Buena Mulatas, we've got sweet bananas on the way, we've got lots of Cayennes coming. We've got the ghost peppers ripening up. Everything's looking marvellous. So tomorrow, I think we'll just have a quick check and make sure the soil's not too dry. If it is, a little bit of water, just a little bit. And if it's all okay, we'll check out the rest of the peppers we haven't had a good look at yet. Like the Tabascos, I think there's a couple of others it's crossing my mind right now. Tabascos for sure, we haven't had a look at all of them. Some more of the super hots maybe. Some of the Scotch Bonnet MOAs. We'll check them all out, make sure everything's all okay. But yeah, I think, you tell me if I'm wrong, but I think everything's all okay here. And then we'll fertilise on Saturday, if not Saturday, Sunday. So yeah, that wraps up day 152. Thank you all so much for joining us. The messages, the regular comments, the regular viewers, the emails. Honestly, I don't mean to sound all bloody soppy and silly, but it really does mean the world to me. Like, it puts a smile on my face. I will reply to all of them. You know, to have people from Japan saying that they love the videos, to my friend the tomato master in the States, Crop Life, he's always posting. Lots of people. I just really appreciate it. To know there's everyone around the world that giving a little bit of their time, a little bit of their life to come and see a middle-aged man and his disabled dog talk about chilies. So thank you. It means the world to me. So thank you. Take care of yourselves, okay? Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a wonderful Friday and a great weekend coming. Hope it's a wonderful one for you. You take care. We'll see you tomorrow. See you Saturday for day 153. Thank you all. Take care. Bye bye. Boop.